If Gmail is showing the error message that the mail server is not responding, don't worry because in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem quickly. This can happen because of browser cache issues, a bad extension, or even a temporary Gmail service problem. We'll go step by step so you can get Gmail working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, before changing anything in your browser, check whether Gmail is having a service outage. Open your browser and go to the Google Apps Status Dashboard at google.com/appsstatus/dashboard. This page shows the current status of Google services, including Gmail. If Gmail is experiencing an issue on Google's side, then the problem is not on your device, and the best thing to do is wait until the service is restored. If everything looks normal there, then the issue is likely something on your browser. So let's move on to the next fix. Now the first thing to try is clearing your cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift and Delete at the same time. This will open your browser's clear browsing data window. In the list of options, make sure you select cookies and other site data and also cached images and files. These are the files that can sometimes get corrupted and prevent Gmail from loading properly. After selecting those options, click Clear Data. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Gmail to see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem. If Gmail still says the mail server is not responding, the next step is to check your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. You'll now see a list of all the add-ons installed in your browser. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or email-related add-ons can interfere with Gmail and stop it from loading correctly. Turn off your extensions one by one, then refresh Gmail after disabling each one. This helps you identify which extension is causing the conflict. Once you find the problematic add-on, leave it disabled or remove it completely. After that, try Gmail again and see if the error disappears. If you've cleared the cache, removed cookies, and disabled conflicting extensions, Gmail should load normally in most cases. These steps are simple, but they fix a lot of browser-related email issues and can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, check out the next video for more Gmail and browser fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.